Kia ora guys, today we are at South Island Cheese Fest at Clos Henri Vineyard, supported by Feast Marlborough as part of the Summer Feast series. You can keep up to date with all of the events at marlboroughNZ.com. Alright, so get your smiley pretty YouTube faces on because we're going to go get our cheese on. Cheesy green.
So we're at Cranky Goat Cheese, and this is the Loomisdale with cranberries.
How does that taste?
I'm in heaven.
Alright, this is the original ash-covered cheese. Wow, as you can see, it's a very popular place. They've got a few stalls all around the place, not just cheese.
But we're lining up at Drop the Beat to get a juice. Thank you so much. Okay. You too. Oh, yum.
Right, now we're trying a Torvald Corrado. That one's really nice. We just had our gin and cheese pairing.
That was awesome.
It was so delicious. It's a really cool day. We definitely will be checking out some more of these summer feast events from Feast Marlborough because they're well worth it, so I'd highly recommend.